Good morning, students. I am Anuradha Gupta here to explain you measurement. This is your chapter 11. What is measurement? Actually, the set of standard units of measurement that we use is known as a metric system. किसी भी चीज़ को नापने के लिए बेटा जो भी हम यूनिट यूज़ करते हैं उस पूरे सिस्टम को कहते हैं मीट्रिक सिस्टम. आपको सबको मालूम है द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ इज metric system is meter, and the standard unit of mass in metric system is gram, and the standard unit of capacity in meter system is liter. So I am going to explain or to learn about various units of metric measures and conversion of one unit into another. Okay, and some real life problems also related to metric system. So first of all, note this. Look at this table. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Actually, meter is a standard unit. So first of all, we want to convert into smaller units. Some units are smaller than meter and some are higher than meter. Some are lower and some are higher. So 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. These are smaller units than meter. Some are higher. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter. 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter. You have to learn this table. Okay. Here is another table. Look at this table. This table shown length, mass and capacity. Actually, these 7 measurements, kilo, hecto, deca, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, these are in a sequence from higher to lower. When we are measuring length, we call it kilometer. When we measure gram, we call it kilogram. And when we measure capacity, then we call it kiloliter. In the same way, hectometer, hectogram, hectoliter, decameter, decagram, decaliter, these all are higher units. You know very well, meter, gram and liter, these are standard units. Now decimeter, decigram, deciliter, centimeter, centigram, centiliter, millimeter, milligram and milliliter, these are lower units. ये सब के सब बच्चों आपस में ये आप जो अपर यूनिट्स हैं आपकी सारी वो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10 है. मीन्स 1 किलोमीटर से 1 हेक्टोमीटर, 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 हेक्टोमीटर. 1 हेक्टोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 डेकामीटर. ओके, 1 डेकामीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 मीटर. 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 डेसीमीटर. 1 decimeter is equal to 10 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, this is the sequence. Now we learn about conversion. Suppose you are going to convert 703.06 meter into centimeter, meter and centimeter. This decimal plays a very important role in these sums. Okay, in this 703 meter and 0.06 centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 2 places of decimal, 2 places after decimal, we call them centimeter. When you are going to convert meter into centimeter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. In the same way, 0.03 meter, in this question there is no meter, only centimeters are there. 0 meter and 0.03 centimeters. when you are going to reciprocate, means convert this meter and centimeter into decimal notation. Look at this, 5 meter 13 centimeter means 5.13 centimeter, 5.13 meters. Always put higher unit when there are two units. Always put higher unit when you are putting decimal. जब भी आप डेसिमल लगाते हैं बेटा, तो आपको हमेशा हायर यूनिट का इस्तेमाल करना है. Come to next. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter. You know very well 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When you are converting centimeter into meter, then this 100 will be shifted on the denominator side. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Okay, then 8 centimeter is equal to 8 upon 100 meter. Now simplify this, convert it into decimal form. 0.08, two places of decimal, we have to put 8. Okay, 0.08 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter, because you very well know 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. 1000 millimeters, 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm. So when you are putting mm on the left hand side and meter on the right hand side, means you are going to convert millimeter into meter. Then 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. 3 millimeter is equal to 3 upon 1000 meter. Again convert it into decimal form. There are 3 zeros on the denominator side, so 3 places we will write the number up to 3 places. 0.003 meter. This is the answer. Now this is the number and you are going to convert this number into meter. 814 meter 5 mm. 5 millimeter means 814 meter is already in meter. In this case you have to convert only 5 millimeter into meter, so left this 814 meter aside. Now convert this millimeter into meter. You know very well 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter, and 5 millimeter is equal to 5 upon 1000 meter. After converting this number, you will get 0.005 meter. Now add this with 814 meter. 814 is already given, plus 005 meter is here. Add these numbers. In 814 there is no decimal, so you have to put decimal and put zeros. 814.000 and add 0.005, you will get 814.005 meter. Now look at this question. 5 decimeter 8 millimeter. When you are going to convert this number into meter, so you have to convert both the numbers. First of all, convert 5 decimeter. You know very well 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meter. 5 decimeter is equal to 5 upon 10 meter. It means 0.5 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. In the previous question you have already seen. 8 millimeter is equal to 8 upon 1000 meter. Look at the units. Here decimeter, here meter. In the next case, millimeter, when you are going to convert millimeter into meter, then millimeter is on the left side and meter on the right side. Again 0.008. Now add both the numbers. 0.500 meter, 0.500. You can put any as much zero as you want to put. 0.008 meter. Now add these numbers. 805 means 0.508 meter. Come to next. Here are 3 units. 7 decimeter, 1 centimeter, 4 millimeter. You all know the formulas. 1 decimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 4 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay. When you convert 7 decimeter, you will get 0.7 meter. When you convert 1 centimeter, you will got 0.01 meter. And when you convert 4 mm into meter, 4 upon 1000 meter, then it will convert it into meter. We will get 0.004. Now add all the numbers. Your first number is 0.7. 0.7, you have to write 0.700 meter, because you are putting up to 3 decimal places. Next number is 0.1. 0.01. 0.01, again put a single 0 here. Next number is 0.004 m. 0.004 m. M means meter. Add these numbers, you will get 0.714 meter. Never say 714. When you are reading decimal places, nobody will say in this way. Always say 0.714, single digit. Nobody will say 714. This is a wrong way. Some sums or problems based on real life situations. Okay, Riya brought 35 kilograms laddu. Okay, the weight of these laddus in grams. रिया ने शॉपकीपर से 35 kgs लड्डू लिए, खरीदे. उन लड्डू की कीमत आप ग्राम्स में बतानी है आपको. 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम. आप यू वेरी वेल नो. देन 35 kg इज इक्वल टू 35 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. You will get the answer 3500.0 grams, because 30, no, there is not 35, here is 3.5. 3.5 kilograms. 3.5 multiplied by 1000, it means 3, 5 and 3 zeros, but here is one decimal place, so put one decimal from the left side. Put this decimal from the left side in the answer, so your answer will be 3500 grams. Come to next. Shilpa's weight is 8765 grams. Her weight in kilograms. Now it is an opposite question of previous one. Shilpa's weight is 8765 grams. From lower to higher unit, 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. You know, when you are going from lower to higher, we will divide, and when you are coming from higher to lower, you will multiply. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilograms. 8765 grams is equal to 8765 upon 1000, and you have to put 3 decimal on the right side, goes from left hand side to right hand side. Count the numbers. 5 first digit, 6 7 digit, 7 is third digit. There are 3 zeros, you have to put 3 before 3 places. 8.765 kilograms. Now conversion of liter into milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, so 7 liter is equal to 7000 milliliters. 235 deciliter is equal to how many decaliters? I have already explained you through table that 1 deciliter is equal to 1 upon 100 decaliter. This deciliter, first of all, come to liter place, then liter to decaliter place. It means there is a difference of 100. You are going from lower unit to higher unit, means deciliter to decaliter, so you have to divide. 1 dl is equal to 1 deciliter is equal to 1 upon 100 decaliter. 235 deciliter is equal to 235 upon 100. Divide 235 divided by 100, you will get 2.35 decaliter. Look at this number, 3.8 liters. Convert this liter into deciliter. You are going lower side, means liter, from liter to deciliter means higher to lower. So you have to multiply. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. You will learn, or you have to try to understand this concept. When you are coming from higher unit to lower unit, number will be multiply. If you are going from lower unit to higher side, we will divide the numbers. When you are going to coming from lower unit to higher unit to lower unit, 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. It means 3.8 liter is equal to 3.8 multiplied by 10 dl, deciliter. The answer will be 338. Decimal will be, when you are multiplying the numbers, the decimal will be shifted from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, always remember it, don't be confused. When you are going to multiply any number of decimal, the decimal place will be shifted from left hand side to right hand side. And when you are multiplying, then when you are dividing the numbers, the decimal will be shifted from right hand side to left hand side. Always get greater number. When you are multiplying the number, you will get greater number. It means 3.8 is converted into 38. Next, 137.3 सेंटीलीटर को आपको कन्वर्ट किस में करना है, डेसीलीटर में. मीन्स आपको सेंटीलीटर से डेसीलीटर में आना है. मतलब कि आपको हायर आपको डीएल से डीएल इज अ DL is smaller and then meter, and centiliter is much more smaller than liter, because 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter and 1 liter is equal to 100 centiliter. It means CL is smaller than DL. 1 centiliter is equal to 1 upon 10 DL. 137.3 centiliter is equal to 137.3 upon 10. The decimal you are going to divide, the decimal will be shifted from right hand side to left hand side, means 13.73 deciliter. Some problems, story sums. A huge water tank can store 15,000 liters of water for the entire society. Its कैपेसिटी इन किलोलीटर्स, आपको इसकी कैपेसिटी किलोलीटर से बतानी है. कैपेसिटी ऑफ वाटर टैंक इज 15,000 लीटर. 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1,000 kiloliters. So convert this 15,000 liter into liter. You will divide, cut the zeros, 3 zeros from 3 zeros, you will get 15 kiloliters. This is all for today.